Hi everyone, today we'll be making this amazing chicken recipe. I hope you like it. Let's go. Let's cut our onion into small pieces. Put it in a bowl. Let's cut our bell pepper. Take the middle of the bell pepper out and let's cut it into strips first and then cut it into small pieces. I'm going to be using 2 different kinds of bell pepper today and put those in a bowl. Salt, chicken powder, sugar, garlic powder, some black pepper, paprika, and mix those up. Chop up some garlic. Put it in a bowl. Let's cut our green onion. I'm going to cut the white part first, put that in a bowl, and then cut the dark green parts after. And put that in a bowl. Take a paper towel and take some of the water out and make sure that the chicken is dry. Now some salt, chicken powder, garlic powder, and some black pepper and mix that up. Now let's start dipping our chicken. And we'll put the lid on and we will shake it up. Make sure it's fully covered. Alright, let's take the lid off and see how they look. They are perfectly coated. Alright, now let's put the chicken in to fry. It looks really nice and satisfying once you put the chicken in. It looks so good even though it's not fully cooked yet, and it looks super satisfying. You keep on flipping it and cooking it until it is all fully cooked and it is crispy on the outside. Smells so good right now, guys. Now let's take our chicken out and put it on a plate with paper towel underneath. Let's put in our garlic and let's fry it up. So it's golden now, so let's put in the white part of our green onion. And now let's put in our onion. Let's put in our bell pepper. Let's put in the dark green part of our green onion. Now let's put in our fried dripping, and we are almost done. Mix those up. And let's put in our spices. It's really yummy right now, guys. Now we're done, and let's put it on a plate so we could eat and enjoy. Ooh, with all the bell pepper and the green onion, it looks amazing. So yummy, guys, and it smells good too. Ooh, I just can't wait to take a bite out of this. Now let's eat. I'll take one of the chicken legs and I'm gonna eat it. It tastes super good. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do, please like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our new videos. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video. Bye!